Hey everybody, this is Alex.
Hi everyone, this is Annabelle.
Hey, and we're here at the beautiful Majestic Mirage Resort in Punta, Cana, Dominican Republic. We just got here a few minutes ago, and we're just taking our first impressions here of this beautiful resort. And we're outside of our bedroom right here, and we have something interesting already. You can see in the background, there's a big hot tub on the back of this wonderful big patio. And we're here outside. You can take a look at the area here.
We are here on our anniversary week for a conference, but actually we're upgraded to a room that is closer to the beach, so we'll show that to you in a few minutes. But if you notice, the rooms underneath us have what they call swim-up rooms. Now this is a public pool, so everyone has access to it, but you can notice that the rooms underneath us have their own private bed and a private entrance into the pool area.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. And it's a little overcast right now, but you can see all around here. Beautiful pool area, cabanas. Not too many people here right now. We got here, there was, actually it's pretty empty. Big resort. There's 3 of them connected to each other, close by. You can see right over there, the beach. It's not too far away.
And you can use the facilities at all 3 resorts when you stay at the Mirage. This is actually an adults-only building, but they are a family-friendly resort. There are several buildings here that do have accommodations for families with children as well.
Yeah, so we're going to take a look at the room inside. We're going to go into the main living room area. Excuse the mess. Like I said, we just got here.
All the rooms at this resort are suites. This is not a special room, so they all look like this. This is the living area. You have a small couch, which is a sofa bed as well. Your TV, the entrance has a half bath and a little dining area. Over here you have an espresso coffee maker as well as a standard coffee maker and a mini bar that's stocked daily with sodas, water, beer, a couple of snacks. And these bottles here, we were told, are for the guests' use. They can either consume them here or take them home with them. They are not restockable, but they are available for the guests to use.
Yeah, and they came when we got here. We had this little arrangement set for us. We don't know if it's something that they do for everybody or not, but it is our anniversary, 26 years.
Yay.
And we're going to enjoy it, even though this really is work, everybody. It really is work.
It's hard work.
So let's go and check out the bedroom here.
The bedroom does have these pocket doors that close to give you privacy, so if you do have someone staying in the living room with you, then you do have this available. It is a king-size bed, as you can see, and this wonderful tub in the middle of the room for you to use as well.
Yeah.
Soaking tub.
Beautiful soaking tub. I love to take a bath, although I know a lot of people don't like to do it, but I do. And I don't see any bubbles, but I'll find some way to make bubbles. And there in the left door here is a rainfall shower. It's pretty nice. Yeah, it's sizable shower. Definitely bigger than the one we have at home. And then on the right side is the toilet. And we're not going to open that door because it's a toilet.
So you have 2 facilities available to use in this suite. These are closets, and you have an entrance to the balcony from the bedroom as well, as from the living room.
So we are actually in the market for a new bed, and I'm checking out beds here at all the resorts that we're visiting this week. And this is a wonderful king-size bed. We haven't slept on it because we just got here. But I'm checking out the brands. That's why you see things like this. I'm looking at the brands. This one looks to be, I don't know, Garriello Colchones, so maybe a local brand. But we're going to spend the week here.
We're actually extending our stay.
And I've been convinced to extend our stay after our first hour in this place. So it's lovely. And we're going to enjoy it. We're going to give you some more updates here throughout the week and take a lot of photos as well. Thank you guys, and keep up and follow us on Facebook. We're with Dream Vacations, Jubilee Journeys, And Alex and Annabelle signing
Visit
off.
us at www.jubileejourneys.com.
And you can follow us on Facebook as well and Instagram. Take care. Bye.